decades, car seats barely changed. Plastic shells, foam pads, and a latch system that felt like wrestling an octopus. But 2026 is the year the entire category mutates into something unrecognizable. What's coming isn't baby gear. It's near military-grade protection systems disguised as car seats. The same crash technology used in fighter jets and autonomous vehicles is finally bleeding into consumer safety, and it's about to flip everything. Let's start with the biggest change: adaptive tension harnesses. Old car seats use fixed straps. You manually tighten. New systems use micro actuators and tension mapping sensors to analyze the exact size and position of a child in real time. If a crash is detected, the harness can pull tight in under 30 milliseconds, distributing force across the torso the way race car restraint systems do. Some upcoming models use Magneto-rheological fluid, a liquid that hardens instantly when electrified, so the harness becomes a protective shield the moment a collision begins. The shell itself is going through an evolution too. Researchers have developed a layered composite frame using energy-absorbing foams seen in the aerospace industry. On impact, these foams don't just compress, they redirect crash forces sideways and downward, away from the child's spine and head. This is the same tech found in helicopter crash seats, scaled down and tuned for infant weight ranges. And then you get into the wild stuff: pre-crash intelligence systems. Modern cars already predict collisions with forward radar. In 2026, car seats will talk directly to the vehicle. If the car senses an unavoidable crash, the seat can pre-position the child, adjusting angle and posture to reduce whiplash and head movement. Think of it like autonomous vehicle reflexes, but focused purely on protecting the most fragile passenger. Biometrics are sliding into the picture too. Some next-wave seats will have posture tracking, temperature monitoring, and micro-respiration sensors. If a child slumps too low, overheats, or stops moving during a long ride, the seat can warn the driver or even adjust position automatically. American manufacturers are testing this in response to heat stroke deaths, one of the leading child safety issues every year. Thermal management is another big leap. New fabrics use embedded phase change materials, the same tech used in NASA spacesuits. These fabrics stay cool when the cabin gets hot and warm when it gets cold, keeping the child comfortable without blasting AC straight at them. Some premium models use airflow microchannels built directly into the padding. But arguably, the biggest change is happening for parents: autonomous installation systems. The car seat of 2026 will guide you with LED indicators and gyroscopic sensors, then lock itself in place with an internal motor. No more fighting with belts or anchors. Some systems even perform a self-check every time the car starts. European companies are testing rotating impact shells, seats that swivel automatically during a crash to position the child rear-facing regardless of the original orientation. Rear-facing absorbs impact better, so these shells basically cheat the laws of physics to put the child in the safest possible position milliseconds before impact. We're also seeing the birth of modular car seat ecosystems. Instead of one seat per age group, manufacturers are building platforms with adjustable shells, growing support frames, and dynamic angle controls. One base can handle newborns all the way to early childhood, every stage automatically optimized. Put it all together, and car seat tech is entering the same evolution smartphones did in the early 2000s. The jump is enormous, the capabilities are real, and the lag between innovation and adoption is finally closing. In 2026 and beyond, the smartest safety tech in the car won't be the airbags or the sensors. It'll be the seat designed for the smallest passenger, operating at a level that would have sounded impossible 10 years ago.